Hi, this is Hemant, and I will be talking about what are the different types of keyword we have in SEO. In this video, you will be getting a knowledge of how many different types of keywords present online and what is more important for you in SEO. There are people around in this industry talks about six type of keyword, four type of keyword, five type of keyword, eight type of keyword. But usually, what happens? There are only two types of keywords, majorly two type of keywords. Some people talk about we have a different type of keyword like information keyword, commercial intent keyword, we have a navigational keyword, we have a transactional keyword. But I don't feel like there is a requirement of dividing those keywords into multiple segments, right? When you do SEO, you will read hundreds of blogs जो आपको कीवर्ड के बारे में बात करेंगे, लेकिन I don't think there is a requirement of it. All you need is to understand the nature of keyword. If you are able to understand the nature of keyword, you will be able to deliver the right result in SEO. So in this video, we will be talking about two different types of keyword only. Majorly, keywords are divided into two different types. The first keyword, broad category of keyword is like information-based keyword. Now, what do you understand by information? I hope everyone understands the meaning of information. Information is like to get an information about anything. If you are searching for online, अगर आप Google में search कर रहे हैं and you are looking for how to cook rice, then that is an information keyword because you are not buying anything. You are just collecting information from search engine, right? To enhance your own knowledge. So the first type of keyword here is like information keyword. The second type of keyword here is commercial intent keyword. Now the commercial intent keyword is you can say it's a transactional keyword. The nature of this keyword is a commercially there will be some transaction between the services. Maybe आप अगर मोबाइल फोन के बारे में बात करें, so you can say that buy mobile phone is a commercial keyword because the nature of that keyword is like to buy. Like the people usually write, I'm looking for buying a new mobile phone online, right? So let me explain you a little more about information keyword first. Then we will be talking about commercial intent keyword. We will be also covering different type of keyword under this information and commercial intent, right? So what are the different types of keyword under information? So first we need to understand what is information. Now, keyword whose intent is to deliver information. As I said earlier, the nature of that keyword is to deliver information. So if you're searching online, if you're there on Google, and if you search online, for example, I'm looking for how to do a keyword research. So you're not asking anyone to do that keyword research for you, but you are learning yourself by searching online, like how to conduct a keyword research or maybe how to do a keyword research. So such type of keywords are known as commercial information-based keywords. Now, when we talk about information-based keyword, we have further divided into three broad categories. The first is like core keyword. So when we talk about core keyword, so core keyword is what? Core keyword is a broad category of any product or services or any information. For example, keyword is a core keyword. If I talk about keyword, keyword is a word that is a core keyword, that is considered as a core keyword. Take an example, another example. SEO, search engine optimization, is a core keyword, right? So core keywords are the keyword that describes the primary category, or those are broadly categorized as core keywords. So अगर मैं यहाँ पे बात करूँगा core keyword के बारे में, so keyword is a core keyword. Now, if I talk about core keyword is a word that is considered as a core keyword, or you can say digital marketing. Digital marketing is a core keyword because it specifies the whole industry. SEO is a core keyword that specifies the whole SEO thing, right? So core keyword is the first type of keyword that we have. Core keyword is also known as short tail keyword. We also call them as a short tail keyword. So SEO is a short tail keyword. Keyword itself, keyword word is a short tail keyword, right? If I talk about maybe tarp or tarpaulin. Yeah, if we talk about like commercial loan is a core keyword. Then we have commercial loan, we have residential loan, we have bike loan, we have motor loan, right? So all those are the secondary type of keywords, but the core category is like loan. So short tail keywords are also known as core keywords. Second type of keyword. Second type of keyword here is mid-tail keyword. A mid-tail keyword is a keyword that derives from a core keyword, right? So the if जो मैंने आपको example दिया था पहले, keyword is a core keyword, right? So keyword research and analysis is a type of mid-tail keyword. Keyword research analysis is a type of mid-tail keyword that derives from core keyword, right? So core keyword में एक या दो word होते हैं, right? एक या दो word means keyword या keyword research. It's a core keyword, right? Now when we talk about mid-tail keyword, it comprises of 2 to 3 words, 3 to 4 words, right? More than 2 words. So mid-tail keyword का अगर मैं example यहाँ पे देता हूँ, so that is keyword research and analysis, or maybe you can say keyword research analysis. Third type of keyword we have here as a long tail keyword. Now long tail keyword, what do you understand by long tail keyword? Keyword जिसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा phrases होते हैं, right? कीवर्ड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सर्च क्वेरी, सर्च टर्म, सर्च फ्रेजेस, राइट? तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा फ्रेजेस अगर मैं जोड़ के एक कीवर्ड बनाता हूँ, एक सर्च क्वेरी बनाता हूँ, so that is known as long tail keyword. So long tail keyword comprises of more than 3 to 4 words, right? So how to do a keyword research? There are 5 different words और इन सबको मिला के हम एक long tail keyword बनाते हैं, right? So now you are able to understand we have core keyword, we have long tail keyword, we have mid tail keyword, right? So all those type of keyword जो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखे हैं, those are like information based keyword. The first one is core keyword जिसमें हमने keyword के बारे में बात की थी. Second, we talked about keyword research analysis. Third, we talked about how to do a keyword research, right? So एक word, 3 word and 3 से ज़्यादा word. So this is how we differentiate the keywords, right? Now next, coming to the point, we have information based keyword हमने पढ़ लिया है अभी. Now I will be explaining you what are commercial intent keyword. Commercial intent keyword are the keyword whose intent is to deliver result that someone can buy, inquire about, right? Take an example. If you are running a business and if you are looking for SEO services for your business, now you want someone who take care of SEO services on your behalf for your website. Now, what will you search for? So you will obviously search for SEO company in India, or maybe if you are sitting in Hyderabad or Mumbai or Delhi, or maybe some other geography. So you will type something like SEO services in Mumbai, or maybe SEO marketing agency in Mumbai, or maybe you will search for SEO company in Mumbai, right? So such type of keyword. Here the intent of that keyword is to make a purchase. What purchase? Purchase any services online, or to avail any services, or to buy any services, right? So commercial intent keyword में यहाँ पे nature जो है keyword का, that is like you make some transactions, you make some commercial, like the commercially you are doing something, you are doing a business. Now when we talk about commercial again, commercial में अगर मैं आपको SEO के अलावा कोई दूसरा example देता हूँ, so that is buy iPhone 12 128 GB. So iPhone 12 128 GB, what it is? iPhone 12 128 GB is like specification of that iPhone 12, but you have also added a keyword, like a word like buy. So that makes it a commercial intent keyword. So your intent for typing that keyword in Google is like you are willing to buy that keyword, buy that mobile phone. See, again, it's not like आपका nature समझ आ रहा है वहां पर. See, if I'm searching for buy iPhone 12 128 GB, so which means I'm interested in buying that iPhone 12 that is having a RAM of storage of 128 GB. So in this way, we describe the commercial nature, right? So type of commercial intent keywords में हमारे पास फिर से वही आते हैं, like core core keywords. Those are also known as short tail keywords, mid tail keywords, and the long tail keywords. So core keyword. Now, when we talk about core keyword, so core keyword is like SEO service. SEO service is like if someone is looking for SEO service, so his nature, the intent of that audience or a visitor is looking for SEO services, right? Looking for SEO services, which means he is like interested in getting SEO done for his website. So the core keyword here is like SEO services. Short tail keyword, it's a very short tail keyword. Now, short tail keyword, core keyword are the same. Do not get confused yourself, right? Now, the second type of keyword here is like mid-tail keyword. Mid-tail keyword are the keyword that derives from short tail. Now, the nature के बारे में बात करें यहाँ पे. अभी हमारा SEO services is a short tail keyword because it's a commercial intent. Now, अगर मैं इसी को और आगे बढ़ाता हूँ keyword को like SEO service provider in, or maybe I can say SEO service provider. So SEO service provider are the one who provide SEO services. Those are the digital agencies, digital marketing companies who provide SEO services, right? So the mid-tail keyword here is SEO service provider. Now coming to the next, that is long-tail keyword. Now if someone is looking for like how will you differentiate a long-tail keyword? Like if the keyword has more than 3 words, right? So SEO service provider in India, or maybe you can say SEO service provider company in India. So it contains 6 words that you count it as a long tail keyword, right? So long tail keyword, mid tail keyword, and short tail keyword. I hope you get a clear understanding of what it is. Now, don't get confused. We have only 2 different type of keyword list, that is information and commercial intent keyword. Being an SEO expert, if you're doing SEO, I will recommend you to go with long tail keywords. Your keyword list should be a combined list. Combined list का मतलब है यहाँ पे you should include a mid tail keyword, you should include long tail keyword, you should also include short tail keyword. Now, what is the purpose of having all those different type of keyword in your keyword list? See, commercial intent keyword will deliver you results. Best results यानी अगर मेरा काम है यहाँ से lead generate करना, then in that case commercial intent keyword will help you to generate more leads, quality information. लेकिन if someone who is listening here to this video and he is running a blog, maybe an information, or maybe आप fashion industry पे blog लिखते हो, maybe you write something around real estate, maybe you write something around style and fashion. So in that case, आप लोगों के लिए information based keyword is the type of keyword that derives more traffic to your website, right? अब traffic आएगा तभी आपके पास ज़्यादा होगा. लेकिन consider my point here, long tail keyword considered to be having less search volume. Less search volume यानी SEO services का अगर search volume it has a 6,600 search volume, then SEO service provider a company in India ka search volume is somewhere around 300 or 400 only, but that is a niche market for you. So I recommend going forward with mixing those keywords, short tail, long tail, and commercial intent keywords. If you like that video, please like and comment and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated. And this is Hemant, and I will be like continuing with your providing more videos on SEO, SEM things for you. So thank you. This is all from my side.